There happens to be a very intriguing story of someone chlorinating a rat that took over the internet by a sweep. We all know how harmful chlorination can be and what effects it can have on animals and humans beings. Here's one such story that would make you go nuts. But what is so great about this story? Is chlorinating a rat allowed? Should chlorination be stopped? Continue watching the video till the end to know more. Now, without any further ado, let's hop right into the video. One of the undergrad students from the lab courses had claimed that in one of his early lab courses, they were asked to do an experiment which involved making use of chlorine, even though there happened to be an assistant who was reported to be helping. Everything was all fine until a rat came in through the venting system and burst straight into the fume hood. That poor animal was then seen to have died of chlorine poisoning just after it took a few steps next to the cylinder. The poor student was then made to burn the dead rat to ashes just because they could not get rid of that rat legally. The undergrad student then claimed that the dying rat was something which was the creepiest thing he ever saw. In this, we will be talking about this certain someone who was reported to have chlorinated a rat. We will be elaborating on this topic in this video, so if you are new to this channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. What made me curious was the statement that claimed that they could not get rid of the rat legally. Therefore, we did some research and found out some interesting things related to this. Given that chlorine can kill microorganisms, it's no wonder that it might also be harmful to your animal. In addition to killing bad bacteria, chlorine can also kill the beneficial ones in your animal's digestive system and potentially make them go off feed and water. It's similar to how you may feel lethargic and lose your appetite when taking antibiotics. Ruminant animals such as cattle and sheep may be particularly sensitive to chlorine. Their rumen system relies on microorganisms and fermentation processes to aid in digestion. When that system is disrupted, it can create all kinds of health problems. For example, a dairy cattle study from 2008 reported that drinking water chlorine concentration was negatively associated with milk protein content. The authors believe this may have been due to the antimicrobial effect of chlorine on the rumen. Monogastric animals such as horses and pigs are not immune from chlorine's harmful effects either. An eye-opening case study of a pig barn reported the health effects of an accidental release of chlorine to the barn's drinking water, increasing free chlorine to about 2 ppm, similar to show water. The gilts and sows had increased abortion rates, higher stillborn rates, and abnormal heat cycles. This ultimately led to reduced farrowings. To make matters worse, the growing piglets experienced higher death rates as well. If all of the above was not bad enough for you, there's more. Chlorine can directly impact your animal's immune system, which can make them get sick easier. A study on young rats found that chlorine reduced spleen weight, altered macrophage metabolism, and changed immune cell signaling. In addition to the direct effects of chlorine on animal health, some animals just plain don't like the smell or taste of chlorinated water. Most humans don't either, so can you blame them? It tends to be especially bad for animals that have just come off the farm for the first few times. They can be very sensitive to the bad taste and odor of chlorine. Of course, when animals don't drink water, they can become dehydrated. This leads to reduced immune system function, increased illness, and going off feed. The potential results? A very high vet bill. You get the idea, right? Are you going to check your water for chlorine before drinking the water now? Did you find the story intriguing? Did we miss out on anything? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We would love to get to know your perspective on this matter. Let's discuss these in yet another video, so stay tuned. Well, that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching it. If you liked the video, then do make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button too. Don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update from our channel. With that being said, let's meet in another one of such awesome videos. Until then, see ya!